what's up? It's your girl Coco. Welcome back. So today I'm so excited for this video. I am okay. So today we're doing an unboxing, and we are unboxing Boxycharm. I love my Boxycharm. Like, that's what I look forward to every single month. This is the February Boxycharm, and oh my god, I waited. When did I get it? I think I got it like the 15th. Today is 18th, and those 3 days were so miserable. Like, I'm so serious. It looks like this, and it has this like pink thing. I'm sure it's like a Valentine's Day thing. And this pamphlet like kind of shows you like everything you get and like the prices, but we're not gonna look at that because I want it to be a surprise. So okay, so first thing I see, it's a setting powder. It's called the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. Ooh. Look at that. So cute. I love a mirror on a product because, you know, when you want to go. And this is how it comes. And it looks like a very fine powder. So I'm just gonna take some out to see. It looks like that. Ooh, it really feels like super thin. Wow. Yeah, it's like super thin. I'm excited to try that. And that retails for $22. And mind you, I have the Boxycharm. So I get the regular Boxycharm, but every third box I get a Boxylux, which is like a big premium box. So my bill, I pay 3 months in one payment, so it comes out to like $75-ish. So each box is about $25, and this one product is $22, not including everything else. Like, imagine how much money you're saving. Next thing I see is the Kate Summer KX Active Concentrates Bio-Mimicking Peptides Serum. Like, you have no idea how much I needed a serum, and it's a peptide serum. Yes. Retails for $98. And says how to use AM and PM. Apply 1 to 2 drops to cleanse skin. Use alone with other KX Active concentrates or layer with serum or moisturizer. This smells like pretty standard skincare. Like, it's not like fragrance, which is good because for people who have sensitive skin, having fragrance in your skincare is not really good for you because it can cause reactions. Nice, I'm excited to use that. So next thing we have is the Pretty Vulgar Faux Reals Extreme Volume Mascara. Ooh, this is such a cute mascara. Look at it. Oh my gosh, I love the packaging. It has like little birds on it. Oh, that's so nice. That's a cute thing to pull out of your makeup bag. Let's see what the brush looks like. Ooh. She thick. It is for volume, so you know, it makes sense. Retails for $23. Next, we have a lipstick. It's Queen Matte Liquid Lip Stain in the color Wifey. This is the packaging. It's like matte and glossy black. And then this is the color. The color is wifey. So let's swatch them. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. It's like the color I usually go for. They were spot on. Queen Matte Liquid Lip Stain is $17. And then finally, which I love, we got some brushes. You always need brushes, so. The last thing we have is the Alamar Cosmetics Complexion Brush Trio. And this is vegan and cruelty free, and it's $36. Wow, that's amazing. So technically each brush is like $12. But look, it comes with these, so then when you wash them, you put it back on and it keeps the shape. Ooh, look at. I like that. I like the little design on top. No, this is bronzer. This is a bronzer brush. Can you see that? Next, we have a complexion brush. And then finally, we have a brightening brush. So I'm assuming you can use this for your under eyes. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use all of these products and I'm gonna come up with a look. Unfortunately, this box did not come with an eyeshadow palette. Most of the time they do come with eyeshadow palettes, but you know, we'll just do a simple look. And basically, from what it looks like, this is based on mostly face. So we're gonna use every single thing. Okay, so first off, I'm gonna start with skincare since we have a serum to try. This is a facial spray and I like to use it before the rest of my skincare. So I feel like it helps to keep my skin moisturized. This is from Giovanni Eco Chic Skincare. This is a Nourishing Facial Prime and Setting Mist. So I'm just spraying that all over, letting it sink in. And as I'm letting it sink in, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Ordinary Caffeine Solution Eye Serum. It doesn't say serum, but it's for your eyes. And now I'm gonna go ahead and use this Kate Somerville Biomimicking Peptide Serum. So it says like 1 to 2 drops. So I'm gonna do like 1 in the middle and a half one here, another half one here, and 1 here, because you cannot forget your neck. But yeah, it's really good product. Sorry, my cat is meowing. Milo! Milo! Hey guys, this is Milo. We just got him at the shelter, like, not that long ago. But he's like being annoyed right now. We got him yesterday. I guess right now he just wants to be alone. But he's really sweet and he's like super cuddly. But I guess he's just having a moment. But oh my gosh, you know what I just realized? This is like really good freaking lipstick. Look. Nothing. I cannot wait. I wash my hands just so you know. Now after I put the serum, I'm just gonna put my moisturizer. I use the Saturday Skin Glacial Water Cream. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation, my eyebrows, my foundation, and my concealer. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I got my foundation and concealer on. I didn't use any of these brushes because they didn't seem like they were for liquid products, and I didn't want to risk ruining them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I guess use the Complexion brush for powder, and the brightening brush for under my eyes, and then the bronzer brush for contour or bronzer, obviously. So when it comes to powders, usually I like a sifter or something. Like the other powder I have by Becca has like a screen, like a cloth screen, so it helps a lot to keep it from getting super messy. Only thing I don't like about these is that like the powder's like all over the place, so it's like everywhere. Oh, it smells so good. It literally smells like coconut. This powder, it doesn't feel like anything really, which is good to me. I'm gonna use the brightening brush. Oh my gosh, it's a little scary, but it's really brightening. I don't know if you can tell. It's really brightening. So I think I'm gonna actually use a literal bronzer. It's daytime, so I don't really need to put on contour. Most of the time I do, but since this is a bronzer brush, I want to use it for what it's for, you know? So I'm using the Milani Baked Bronzer in Soleil. This bronzer, oh my god, this makes me want to use it more often. I really don't use bronzer often, but I like how this applies it. This is cute. Oh wow. I'm over here crossing boundaries. For my eyes, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same Milani bronzer and put it on a big fluffy brush and just put it all over my eye. A little color on the eyes, and this has shimmer, so it's gonna look super cute. Oh, by the way, because I did not even say anything, if you like my lashes, I did them myself. I have a video coming out after this one. So look, I'm giving you a quick eye look too. So you could just use the same bronzer or contour that you use on your face as your eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna blend the edges out with my finger. And I'm just gonna use a little bit of highlight on the inner corner. And I'm gonna go ahead and use this mascara. Since I have these lashes on, I cannot use it on my top lashes, but I'm gonna go ahead and use it on my bottom lashes and see how that looks. Now we're gonna test out this lip color. Hey guys, I'm back. So I put on my blush and my highlight. The blush I use, you know, my regular Tarte blush and my Ciate London highlight. The products feel really good on my face. I love the serum. I don't know if the serum works, but because I mean, it has to work. It's $98, but just because I only put it on one time, you know, skincare, you have to let some time for it to actually do its job. But the powder feels really great. The serum felt great on my skin. The mascara, I mean, it did a good job with my bottom lashes, but I can't really give a full review on that. The lipstick feels really nice. It's a matte lipstick. And my lips don't feel dry at all. I feel like this lipstick is gonna be really long wearing because when I wash my hands and I try to rub the swatch off, it really would not come off. And what else? The brushes feel so nice. I feel like they're really made for powders, so I wouldn't really use it for any liquid products. But if you wanted to try to use it for liquid products, you can. Just be warned, do not use any thick products because you don't know if it will stain really bad or sink all the way into the brush. But yeah, I really love the products that I got this month. This was a pretty good box. I feel like it was more based on like complexion this month. Usually they give like, you know, palettes and stuff like that. But yeah, I really like my look today. I feel very, you know, daytime glam, very natural glam. Real cute. And don't forget, if you want to know how to get your lashes like this at home without having to pay for eyelash extensions, watch my next video. My next video will be up on Thursday. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment any like topics you want me to talk about or any looks you want me to try, anything. Just comment whatever. But yeah, don't forget, share with your friends, let them know I'm here, you know, give your girl a shout out, because I'm working hard. I am working hard. I'm making videos every other day and editing every day, basically. Give me a come on. So I'll see you guys next time, Thursday. All right, have a good one.